Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something special for all you cycling enthusiasts out there. We're going to dive deep into the TOBWOLF MTB disc brake set, a mechanical disc brake system that's been making waves in the biking community. Stick around to find out why this might just be the best disc brake available. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at what's included in this package. The TOBWOLF MTB disc brake set comes with a pair of front and rear disc brake calipers, two 160mm 6-bolt disc rotors, four 16.8mm fixing bolts, and a set of 12 titanium bolts. Highlight the key features of the TOBWOLF MTB disc brake set. Now, let's talk about the standout features of this disc brake set. The TOBWOLF disc brake set is designed for both mountain bikes and road bikes, making it suitable for a wide range of cycling enthusiasts. These cable-actuated post-mount mechanical disc brake calipers provide excellent stopping power, ensuring safety during your rides. The 160mm stainless steel 6-bolt disc rotors are not only lightweight but also provide superior braking power and modulation. The gentle sawtooth shaping on the rotor's outside diameter reduces the chances of brake squeal, and it's compatible with any 6-bolt compatible hubs. These brakes are easy to service, ensuring hassle-free maintenance. Installing the TOBWOLF MTB disc brake set is a straightforward process, and it's compatible with bikes having both 74mm and 51mm mounting bolt spacing. This means you can use it on various bike models. Summarize the key points and mention where to buy the product. In conclusion, the TOBWOLF MTB disc brake set offers impressive performance, ease of installation, and excellent value for money. Whether you're hitting the trails or cruising on the road, this brake set has you covered. It's no wonder it's gaining popularity among cyclists. That wraps up our review of the TOBWOLF MTB disc brake set. If you're interested in upgrading your bike's braking system, be sure to check this one out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest product insights. Thanks for watching, and happy cycling!